Well, I got a few more saws on the restored bunch. I did sell the 450 and 550, and I've got the 750 for sale. I'm just not into those later model saws like I am with the XLs and the XL 7, 8, 900. Um, so still have the two XL 500s and the XL automatic up on the top. And I have the VI 944. I also have a 955 that's not restored, and there's a VI 922 restored. And this is the original XP 1100 gear drive that later became the 1130. The 1100 didn't have a muffler guard, but other than that, they were pretty much identical. And the 1020 automatic down here. Yeah. And then I have a Super 2100 automatic with a 7/8 inch clutch and a Model 2000 down here. Up top, XL 102 automatic. I think I have two or three of those. Those are great little saws. And it's a Homelite XL 12 automatic, and that has no manual oiler. It was never made for a manual oiler. So that was restored with the Husher muffler. I bought that out of the UK. It's a Terry-built saw. And then the Super XL AM, another Terry-built saw, which I guess eventually became on the American side, the Super XL automatic. This was built in '68. So about the time that in the U.S. the Super XL automatic arrived, this one was made in Canada. And then there's the XL 660, which is an XL 500. But it was made in Canada for export to the European market. 74cc. And then the XL 750 with the Tournament of Kings bar. XL 901 is my only manual oiler. I think I might sell that as well. I don't have any other manual oilers. And this is a very, very rare XL 904. And down here we have an XL 123 and an XL 113. So I'm running out of room in here. May have to put another shelf somewhere. But I'm going to work on a Terry-built XL 104 next, as far as next restore project is going to be an XL 104. I really want to do a lot of Terry saws. If I sell the 901 and the 750, I'll have room for a couple more saws on here. But and I got one room for one more behind the XL or XP 1100. But yeah, I'd like to get a couple more restored before the end of the year. So that'll be a good deal.